Hello everyone, welcome back. So your calendar application basically runs your entire life now. Meetings, reminders, birthdays, travel, everything. But in 2026, one question still divides people. Apple Calendar or Google Calendar, which one is actually better? So let's compare them quickly and realistically in this video. So first of all, let's start with Google Calendar. So Google Calendar is still the most powerful option for productivity and collaboration. It works perfectly across Android, Windows, Mac, and basically every platform. As of 2026, Google have added smarter AI scheduling features that can automatically suggest the meeting times, organize the tasks, and even create the events directly from the emails and the messages. So it is much better for the shared calendars, team planning, students, cross-platform users, and honestly, if you work with other people daily, Google Calendar just feels easier. Now let's just talk about Apple Calendar. So Apple Calendar has improved a lot in 2026. It looks cleaner, it feels smoother, and it works beautifully across iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. The biggest advantage of it is its simplicity. So everything feels minimal, distraction free, and deeply connected with the Apple ecosystem. But Apple also focuses heavily on the privacy and the on device intelligence, which many users now care about more than ever. But as compared to Google Calendar, collaboration tools still feel more limited for the heavy work users. So the real question here is which one actually wins. So if you want the best productivity and the collaboration tool, Google Calendar is still the safer choice. But if you are fully inside the Apple ecosystem and you want a cleaner, more private experience, Apple Calendar honestly feels better to use day to day. And the truth is 2026 is this: Google Calendar is better for working, but Apple Calendar is often nicer for living. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.